The biggest problem that people face when thinking about getting traffic to their affiliate links is overcomplication. You just need to keep it simple. You need traffic. Traffic comes in the forms of clicks, and you can get those clicks from free traffic sources. But again, the idea or the concept here is to keep it simple and focus in on the traffic sources that work, that are known to work. So to keep it simple, you need a simple, proven strategy to focus on. That's my top strategy. And inside of affiliating, when I teach people how to build a profitable online business, that starts here with traffic. Traffic is simply just picking a topic. That is an idea or a concept, or the idea or the concept of creating helpful how-to content right here on YouTube as the beginning point to create or generate traffic. Having a simple set of tools, understanding the technology and how those tools work together, and then allocating enough time to get to the third step to generate traffic, which is creating consistent content, which means just creating more than one piece of content, or understanding the time that it takes to generate enough content to see if this is working or not. If the idea and the concept that you had or you have of creating helpful content and posting that content here on YouTube and thinking, I'm going to do this until I see what is working, what's not working, and then I'm going to adjust. Then you're simply going to move on and you're going to generate an offer, and then you're going to add people to an email list. But don't worry about these things at first. Focus in on priority number one, or step number one, which is to generate traffic. Inside of the proven strategy or the proven top strategy, traffic offer people, traffic is the foundation. Without traffic, you don't get any money. And if you want to make money, you have to generate traffic consistently, and that comes from consistent content. Coming up with more content that helps people, and then posting that content again and again and again to build up that consistent flow of steady traffic. So here you can see a graph from an old YouTube channel that I used to own and I actually sold. I built this traffic source, and as you can see here, the views are the traffic source. Note that I also made money, or I generated revenue from becoming part of the YouTube Partner Program, but the focus here is on the graph and looking at the traffic and it being consistent. Again, we're looking and we're talking about views here, views that become traffic over to your offer. Now here you can see the combined earnings over that same time period from one marketplace. Again, going back to the concept and the idea of generating views or generating traffic from a free traffic source. That traffic source being the free traffic that you can generate right here on YouTube by creating simple how-to content. Now, a lot of you are probably going, yeah, YouTube, whatever. I need that super secret traffic source out there that nobody's using. Well, that's your downfall. Where does the majority of affiliate traffic come from? According to a survey of over 2,000 affiliate marketers, the top traffic sources are SEO, which is search engine optimization. Now, most people think of that automatically as blogging, but SEO also applies to creating YouTube videos because YouTube videos rank in the search engine, specifically Google. Then you could see organic social media, 35.5% of respondents use organic social media as their primary traffic source. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Then you can see another graphic here that represents the global traffic sources for affiliate marketers. Of course, again, we have SEO, so we're thinking about blogging, but do not forget that creating content, user-generated content, now ranks in the search engines. One of the big things you see now here recently since the Google Helpful Update is people's content that they're posting on Reddit ranks inside of the Google search results. But also because YouTube is owned by Google, they always prioritize traffic, or they always prioritize the search results to get traffic back over to YouTube because people are creating helpful how-to content or creating helpful content that helps people solve a problem in the form of videos versus blog posts. Then again, we go back to social networking. Then of course here we're talking about just blogging in general, creating a brand around a blog and then driving traffic to it from other sources via email marketing and or pay-per-click. But the idea here is you're generating helpful content using a blog. These are all free traffic sources, free methods that I know people want to discount, but they want to overcomplicate it. You want to overcomplicate it by thinking there's some super secret out there. There just simply isn't. And this comes from a report from Samcart. This is about doing business or sellers of digital products and how they acquire customers. And you can see here the graph based upon the revenue generated from Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Then they come down here and they continue to break it down in this report. And they have a statement here that is quite obvious. It literally says, it seems obvious that brands with bigger followings can drive more traffic and thus make more sales, but don't miss the important underlying lesson here. If you can generate even 200 to 300 clicks from social media each month, you could have a multiple six-figure business on your hands. Then they show the different niches down here and they show the different traffic sources. You can see that Facebook is predominantly the biggest traffic source. That's mostly from driving ads, but also organically, as well as YouTube, and Instagram shows up in that data as well. So the takeaway from this video is super simple. Don't overcomplicate it. There's free traffic methods that are staring you in the face. You're probably logged onto them every day. You watch videos here on YouTube, you could easily start creating your own videos here on YouTube and double down on the fact that YouTube videos that are helpful also rank over on Google. So that covers down on search engine optimization, which is one of the top methods for affiliate marketers to generate revenue or to earn commissions by creating that helpful content. Also, you saw that Facebook is still king. So don't sleep on the fact that it's that simple to start today generating content or generating traffic from helpful content. And don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, there's a link in the description to my top strategy. You can see exactly how I do it here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.